Strawberry Daffy Taffy Part 2.
Dun, dun,
Dun dun dun. Okay, strawberry definitely like makes me want to throw up more than apple does. So
this is gonna be good.
see how this one like turns out. Whoa, I can't get out of Ooh, I turned it inside out. Okay.
Ooh.
I'm gonna try to go faster. Hear it? Oh my god, I can't wait.
Show your face. Ew. Ew. I'm not eating that.
Bigger bites this time.
The more strawberry chunkiness.
Strawberry wants you. Mm.
It snaps every time you like break it.
I know, it's like gross. No, I don't understand. Oh, ew.
I smell this one too. Ew.
The smell of strawberries makes me want to throw up. It's like Hannah Montana with the raspberries.
What?
Hannah Montana throws up every time she smells raspberries.
That's great to know. Fun fact of the day.
Right next to my apple one.
Two down. Wait.
How many are left? Only cherry, right?
Let's see what's in the candy bowl.
Only cherries left, right?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Alright, cherries next. Are you done eating that one? Alright, last piece. Blah, blah,
I'm
blah.
not gonna be able to finish it.
Come on, you can stuff it in. Shove it in there. Come on, the whole thing. Come on, the whole thing. You're right there. Come on.
Yeah.
Shove it in your mouth. You have a little piece left. That's what she said. Shove it in your mouth. Do it. Do it.
How's it coming out of my face? My hair is falling out.
Really? Ah, I got a text message.
All that's left. All that's left.
Stop it, Sammy.
Done.
Stop it. Oh, she's done? She's done? Oh, now it's all red.
The green went away.
How does your mouth
The green
taste?
went away.
Tell me, how does your mouth taste?
Like strawberries and apples mixed together.